checked and said no.
Okay, what time are they coming over? Is this the same people that you called?
There's one of them.
You
one
talked
of the
to
group of people that they contacted.
So this is not the one that they said you can't do it because the house is not hit by the
No, it's
sun.
one of the people in that group.
Ah, okay.
After talking to so many people in that group, I just stopped talking to anybody. Because it's just stupid.
Something, yeah. Make it nicer, but the car is not changing price. The same price. Expensive.
Right, not changing the price.
Huh?
What car?
All the cars, Toyota, whatever.
What, you expect me to get cheaper?
Change
And actually,
like
cars
that.
got a little more expensive this year.
Really? No matter what years, it's so expensive. There's no cheap around. Hon,
Yeah, fine.
I know you're doing something, hon. That's why I said hon. You're gonna hit that other car.
Drive 4 miles, then keep right.
Right. Are we supposed to hit the other side?
That's right.
In 0.2 miles, keep right, then turn right.
Keep right, then turn right.
Turn right.
Taxi driver.
Drive 0.2 miles, then enter roundabout.
It's a roundabout.
In 0.1 miles, enter roundabout, then
GPS
take
is
second
skip off.
exit.
Exit. That's how we
Zigzagging
pass.
is like I go to left lane, I'm in the middle lane.
Oh, look at that driver.
I'm screwed. You book your flight to the Philippines now? Are you happy?
No.
Everything's fine? We're
No,
good? Okay.
no.
Yeah.
No, I have to wait that scan thing.
It's all good.
It's all good. Are you kidding me? I want to know. Book your ass in the
Book your ass in the plane!
the plane.
Boss, the plane!
The plane. What movie is that? What show is that? The plane. The
Fantasy
plane.
Island. Welcome, my
Fantasy
friends.
Island.
Fantasy Island.
Welcome to the Fantasy Island. And that short guy, the dwarf guy.
Tattoo.
Huh? What's his name?
Tattoo.
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 The plane. The plane. I like to go in that Fantasy Island because every time you landed or whatever,
What else here?
they give you a drink.
A lot of
Oh, they do that in the Philippines too. There is an island there. They do.
No, we bring me drinks when I was there.
Hi, that's because my husband has never been to the nicest place in the Philippines. That's why. And it's not really far from our house, though. That place,
Yeah.
that island. Yes, but I don't. That's why next time you have to go with me. We called it Samal. We called it Samal Island. Palm. Down.
Honey, somebody made you a bug.
It's a bug.
You're a bug. Someone made you a bug.
Okay. Hi, di pulot! Ano, magyab? Ano, magyab? Aday, ma-baby na. Come here to mama. Come here. Come here to mama, baby. No, baby. Baby. My baby. My baby. Oh, you're in my back. You're in my back. You're in my back. You're in my back. Get up, jump. I have to eat now, okay? I'll see you later. Hi guys, let's have some lunch. This is my inununan. My Ate Remy gave it to me. That's our leftover from yesterday. And of course, the spicy vinegar and my jasmine rice. Bon appetit. Good morning again. course, as usual, I'm in the car. I always forgot to vlog while we're in the house. And we're running to Manhattan again to find some soup for my husband.
I was gonna say boyfriend.
Boyfriend?
I heard that coming out of your mouth. You were gonna say boyfriend.
Are you kidding me?
I heard it's my husband. What? Bud? I heard it.
Yeah, because I have a boyfriend. You're crazy.
Thinking me like a boyfriend now, not a husband.
Yeah, you are crazy.
Take ramp right.
My husband, I almost said boyfriend. What the heck is that?
I almost did.
Are you kidding me? Jealous guy, jealous guy.
Don't jealous.
It's not even in my head. What the heck? Be because I said, what the frick? Okay, if you wanna listen, huh? What? What?
No, that's right.
This is Shell.
Right, that's Shell.
We stop in the Shell station because we almost have an empty tank. Look, I'm filming.
Two cameras all that.
Yeah, my face on the road.
So if I stop short, they can see. You stop me short, they can see your expression when it happens.
Honey, don't even try to play, hon, because this is what I don't like. Now you're being like. I'm gonna drop this phone because my camera, because I don't put it in my hand. The handle. So how much is the total of the gas?
$60. It's not full.
It's not full.
No, it's stopped at 50. 10 that I stopped at 50.
Why you don't? What is bus pass?
I think you use the guy on the bus.
Oh.
Trade that. She need to trade it and drive credits for a bus pass because she shouldn't be driving.
Slow down, Hanun. Oh my God, you are crazy. Just stay in your lane. Don't go like.
Yeah, you drive the way my wife tells you to drive. You leave the house 5 o'clock in the morning. You get there 5 minutes after they close at night.
Over Mayor de Blasio and his criticism of the Garner incident, and the man who made the video. Police sustaining Garner's health reporters. He believes his arrest over the weekend on a gun charge was out of retaliation. Wave News time 11:04. Doctors at Mount Sinai Hospital are waiting for test results on a man who recently visited West Africa. Officials say the man is being held in isolation. They don't believe he has Ebola. They say it's much more likely he suffers from a common condition. Test results sent to the CDC are expected in 24 to 48 hours. Meanwhile, Nancy Rifle
The
is
traffic
back in
just
the U.S.
started.
Second American aid worker infected with Ebola.
We
in
are
Liberia.
in
She will join
New
Dr.
York. back home. Going back home. Building, guys. We can't understand the.
Go ahead.
Can't understand the what it says. It is, you know, something that in check, something in check, kuwakang. That's what it means. In check, kuwakang. Halibang, magpitangkang. That's what the building says. Crazy. Oh, woman to down. Okay. Wow. Turn right, she said. Oh. Thank goodness I love this. Hi guys, bye. I have these shoes. These clothes shoes. Now they have 25% off, so I get, you know, discount. Yeah, and it's that's good, especially if you wear shirts.
Check out your feet. Look at that.
Yeah, but if you walk long.